Welcome back. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said that the Indian border needs to be fenced properly to eliminate infiltration of terrorists in the country. He also mentioned that after taking over as a Defence Minister, he would also work towards betterment of Goa. He said electronic and IT-based industries would be encouraged in Goa to generate employment.
आर्मी ट्रेनिंग तातूंत येणारी शिस्त डिसिप्लीन हो येवंक जाय पण त्याच बरोबर दुसरी गजाल जावची पडटली की आर्मीच्यान आयिल्लो रिटायर जाल्ल्या मनशाक रेस्पेक्ट मेळूंक जाय. आर्मी पर्सन रिटायर्ड शूड गेट अ रिस्पेक्ट आनी ताका समाजान हे जावपाक जरी ताका पेन्शन मेळ्ळें सुद्दां जाल्यार समाजान मिक्स जावपाक आनी समाजांच्यान हे म्हणजे काम करपाची जी एक ट्रेनिंग आवश्यक आसता ती दिवपाची गरज आसा. ती आमी काही डिस्कशनां जाल्या. आय एम वर्किंग ऑन दॅट. आय थिंक वी विल वर्क आउट सम सोल्युशन विथीन नेक्स्ट 6 months. डिफेन्साचे जर तूं कितें इलेक्ट्रॉनीक किंवा अशा प्रकारचे कितें जर तूं उद्योग येता किंवा खंयची कंपनी गोंयकारांक जाय तशें नोकरी निर्माण करणारो उद्योग येता जाल्यार तो गोंया खातीर वाडटलो.
The High Court has dismissed Goa government's appeal in Sameer Mapari murder case. The High Court has upheld the acquittal of accused Rajesh Desai, Balish Desai and Vinay Desai. Victim Sameer Mapari was killed on 31st of July 2007. Earlier, the trial court in its judgment dated 20th February 2013 had discharged all the accused.
Goa government and Goa police have once again failed to get justice for deceased Sameer Mapari. The prosecution once again failed to prove the charge of murder before the High Court in Mapari murder case. The High Court on Friday in its judgment dismissed state government's appeal challenging acquittal of accused Rajesh Desai, Balish Desai and Vinay Desai. On 8th of August 2007, a very decomposed body was found from Zuari River at Shroda and Sameer Mapari's family identified the body as of Sameer's body. Goa police arrested and later charged Rajesh Desai, Balish Desai and Vinay Desai for killing Sameer Mapari. But Additional Sessions Court Madgaon in its judgment dated 20th February 2013 had acquitted all 3 accused, saying that prosecution failed to prove that recovered body was of Sameer Mapari. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Website of Governor of Goa has been hacked from Pakistan. Cyber Cell of Goa Police has confirmed it. Website of Governor was hacked about 20 days ago, but so far it could not be made functional. It's not for the first time that websites of Goa government have been hacked, but technical maintenance authorities have failed to make government website hacking proof.
After a limited investigation, Cyber Cell of Goa Police has come to a conclusion that website of Governor of Goa has been hacked by Pakistani hackers. During the course of investigation, cyber experts of Goa Police have identified the hackers by tracking the IP address of the hackers. Police has traced that the hacking of Governor's website was executed using servers installed in Pakistan. An FIR related with hacking of Governor's website was registered with Panjim Police about 20 days back. Later, the investigation was transferred to the Cyber Cell. So far, technical maintenance authorities have failed to fully restore these sites. When you enter the website address www.rajbhavangoa.org, the homepage still displays the website is under maintenance. In 2013 too, some websites of Goa government including website of Government Printing Press were hacked by Pakistani hackers. Information and Publicity Department's website also had witnessed hacking by the rebel hackers from the Middle East. But till now, technical maintenance authorities have failed to make government's website hacking proof. A cyber expert of Goa Police told Prudent that the state websites are very vulnerable, which is the reason hackers easily take control of these websites.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.